For our second Ariane 5 launch of 2020, Arianespace will be orbiting two satellite passengers from the spaceport in French Guiana, JCSAT 17 for the operator SKY Perfect JSAT, and GEO KOMPSAT-2B for the Korea Aerospace Research Institute KARI. We are proud to have been selected by KARI to launch the two spacecraft of the two GEO KOMPSAT-2 series of civilian geostationary orbiting satellites, GEO KOMPSAT-2A and GEO KOMPSAT-2B, which is an important national program for the country. Arianespace successfully lofted GEO KOMPSAT-2A in December 2018, which today is busy gathering data on meteorological conditions at the Earth's surface.
Hello, I am GEO KOMPSAT Program Director in charge of GK2A and GK2B satellite. GEO KOMPSAT-2 program is a national program of the Korean government to develop and operate two civilian GEO satellites, GEO KOMPSAT-2A and 2B. GEO KOMPSAT-2B satellite was also developed by KARI with the support of the Ministry of Science and ICT, Ministry of Environment, and Ministry of Ocean and Fisheries as a 10-year mission life, like the GEO KOMPSAT-2A satellite. GEO KOMPSAT-2B satellite has two types of payload for observing the atmospheric environment and marine environment around the Korean peninsula. The first payload is an environment payload and ultra-precision optical system for observing fine dust and other materials in the air. It will observe 20 kinds of important information from Japan in the east to northern Indonesia in the west. It will also trace the migration paths of fine dust to analyze scientifically the impact of overseas dust on the domestic atmospheric environment of Korea. The information can be used for establishment of air quality improvement policies, and also it carries the world's first geo-orbit environment observation payload. The second payload will be used for the observing marine disaster, and performance of GK2B has been significantly improved in terms of resolution from 500 meters to 250 meters compared to Cheolyan-1 launched in 2010. It will contribute to the protection of the marine environment and management of marine resources by monitoring the dumping of pollutants into the sea and the change in seawater quality. Moreover, it can be widely used for maritime safety and defense activities by observing sea currents and sea fogs. Finally, we expect the launching of GK2B following GK2A to establish a world-class service system for the observation of the meteorological, atmospheric, and oceanic conditions of the Korean peninsula. Thank you, Arianespace and CNES CS teams, and thanks to all of GK2 program members.
GEO KOMPSAT-2B is riding in Ariane 5's lower payload position, and its deployment into geostationary transfer orbit will occur approximately 31 minutes into the missions. It has been a great pleasure to manage both GEO KOMPSAT-2 missions since KARI's contract signature with Arianespace in 2015. And specifically, I would like to thank KARI for its confidence in Arianespace, and in particular, Dr. Jae-ho Dong Choi, Program Director, and Dr. Ho Young Lee, the Launcher Interface Manager, who always adopted constructive approach throughout the preparation for these missions. My thanks also go to the CNES teams at the spaceport, and of course, special thanks to all my colleagues from Arianespace involved in the preparation of flight VA252. I wish all the best to GEO KOMPSAT-2B.